In this video, I will be showing you how to get notes on Instagram. First, you need to launch your Instagram application. Click on the paper airplane or messenger. This is the Instagram notes feature and it's working. Now, all you have to do is to click the plus button. Then a small box will pop up for you to share your thoughts. For example, I am going to share this thought saying how to get notes on Instagram. Or you can just share whatever you like to. This is just an example. Now you can add different icons here, emojis or anything. Then after that, click share. Then this is what it looks like. When you refresh this one, you can see this. And your friends on Instagram can see or can view your Instagram notes. Feel free to delete this and try to make a new one. It's up to you. Instagram notes are short posts of messages that appear at the top of the other people's inbox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.